What's happening, Autocraze fam? Down the Autocraze Heat Party today. I'm with one of our major sponsors. This is Jay from Diesel Wheels.
Hey guys, I'm Jay. Thanks Adam for the introduction. Here today we'll talk about our new diesel wheel. This is the latest Diesel Vegas, which is the 20 by 9.5, which we're actually giving away today. It's gloss blacked, with milled edging on it. So this is our giveaway, to say thank you to Autocraze for all their support over the years. We're also here with the new Ravello tyre, which we're launching today, which is our new AT tyre. Has an aggressive pattern, also a great sidewall as well. So that's the new tyre that we're launching today also. Thanks guys.
Thank you very much guys, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and God bless.